Design of low pass filter by using RC circuit. Design of low pass filter. So by simple series RC circuit, by RC circuit. Okay, by using simple RC circuit. So we have to design this low pass RC filter. So by using PSpice. Okay, and also by using PSpice. And so first we need so VDC circuit, VAC. Okay, so this is called VAC, and this is called a resistor. Okay, for example, resistance value is called 1 kilo ohms, and then capacitance. See, this is called simple RC circuit. Okay, the output across the capacitor is called low pass RC filter. This is called output across the capacitor. If you are taking output across the resistor, so that is called high pass filter. Okay, this is called low pass RC filter. So this, if the probe is connected here, then you will get the output. Okay, voltage across the capacitor, that means response across the capacitor is nothing but low pass filter. If the response across the resistor is called high pass filter. Understood? So like this we have to design by using PSpice. Okay, so here I'm taking so one values VAC from the library, PSpice library. So VAC right here, VAC. Okay, place VAC here, and then next resistor. Take resistor here, and then capacitor also. Okay, so place capacitor, resistors, and like this. Okay, and this rotator by using keyboard controller, and then it will be this display like this. Okay, and so by using principal wire connect like this series RC circuit. Simple series RC circuit by using design of low pass filter by using series RC circuit. So like this, connect this all elements and take one ground also. Ground, place your ground. Okay, and then here take 10 AC magnitude. This is called VAC. AC magnitude, for example, 10 volts. Okay, 10 volts AC magnitude, and press change display, and like this both name and value. Take this, and then it will appear like this. Okay, so AC magnitude, so will appear like this, 10 volts. Same, this is also value 1K and change display, and both name and value, and okay, and then so value of the resistor, so display displayed in this drawing sheet like this, and also capacitor is also 1 nanofarad, change display, both name and value change like this. After this after this arrangement, after designing this series RC circuit, okay, like this is designed. After this, go to analysis and set up AC sweep. So make mark tick on AC sweep, and by pressing the AC sweep, this display like this. So select decade, not linear, decade. Starting frequency is 10 Hz and ending frequency, for example, 100 kHz. I'm taking 100 kHz. Okay, ending frequency 100 kHz. Then close, and place a label here. So V input like this, and also place label V output. That means voltage across the capacitor. So, and then take one probe. Okay, so voltage place probe like this. After this, press simulate. Okay, before going to simulate, save this schematic by low pass RC filter. Okay, save. So then this display like this. So it allows low pass RC filter means it is allow only low frequencies. Higher frequencies is not allowed. Okay. So our scale is 100 kilohertz now. That's why it display like this. If you are changing the scale by using analysis, it's possible to change the scale by using analysis. Ending frequency and again only 100 edges. So I'm changing 100 edges to 100 edges to, for example, 500 kilohertz. Okay, then how the waveform is changes like this. Okay, so like this we'll get 1 megahertz like this. So like this waveform is generated like this. So this is the our output is allow only 10 kilohertz, 3 kilohertz, low frequencies only. So 30 hertz, 100 hertz, 300 hertz. So higher frequencies above cutoff frequency. For example, this is called cutoff frequency 10 kilohertz. Find cutoff frequency theoretically. So maximum 10 kilohertz. After 10 kilohertz is not allowing the frequency. Okay. After 10 kilohertz, it's a decrease in the frequency. It's not allowing frequency. Below this is low frequencies is allowed. This is called low pass filter. It allows only low frequencies. It allows only low frequencies, but not allow high frequencies. Understood? So it is allowing up to here. This is called low frequencies, and after this is called high frequencies. Understood? It is allowing only low frequencies. That's why it's called low pass filter. Understood? This is called low frequencies. Understood? This is called high frequency, high frequencies. So high frequencies are not allowing. That's why it is called low pass RC filter. So like this, by using simple RC circuit, we are design low pass RC filter. And then if you want to know the markers, that means, for example, take this here. So press here and then press this icon, and then this is called mark values. Okay. For example, so like this, it will be displayed. Okay. So 0 edges. Okay. So 10 volts. And then if you want to know this frequency, select this marker like this, probe, and then select like this. So this is frequency is called 74.7447 kilohertz, and voltage is called 9.9 volts. Okay. If you want to know this here, select here and press this icon, and you will get like this. Okay. Like this here also press. So 2.94, approximately 3 kilohertz, and voltage is called 9.10 volts. Okay, like this, the scale will be so displayed on the graph. This markers will be displayed like this, and by pressing this here, printer. Okay, so we'll get to print out of this output. So this is about simple RC circuit, design of simple RC circuit by using low pass RC circuit.